Ada County is the largest county in Idaho and home to approximately 25% of the state's population. Ada County includes Idaho's capital city, Boise, and is home to 5 other distinct municipalities. In the northwest part of the county is Star, a city of 11,000 that's growing quickly. By 2040, the city is expected to double in size to more than 21,000. Just a few miles east, the city of Eagle will grow from its current population of 27,000 to 53,000 in the next 20 years. Meridian is now Idaho's fastest growing city. By 2040, it will be 4 times the size it was back in the year 2000. Meridian is now just over 117,000, and in 2040, it will be more than 188,000 people. Garden City, an emerging arts community, is unique in its geography. It sits like a fully autonomous nucleus within Boise. In 2040, the city will increase in population from 12,000 to 17,000. Idaho's capital city, Boise, is the state's center of commerce and industry. It is home to Idaho's largest airport, the state capitol building, Boise State University, and a skyline that looks more each day like a major metropolitan area. It is projected to have a population of more than 300,000 by 2040. Kuna had 5,000 people back in the year 2000. Its current population is 24,000, and by 2040, it will be a city of 69,000 people. Ada County is known for its rich agricultural heritage and open spaces. While the county is projected to be almost 700,000 people in 20 years, protecting that identity remains paramount for leaders across the county.